Hey everyone, it's Chef Nia, and today we're going to be making the TikTok viral vegan grinder salad sandwich. That was a mouthful. Here's an overview of all the ingredients I will be using for the sandwich today. Alright, so let's get into the sandwich. So first I mix the mayo, some rice wine vinegar, garlic, black pepper, Italian seasoning, oregano, red onions, banana peppers, mustard. And guys, this looks so good. Like, just look at how it looks even before mixing in the salad. So now I'm putting in some iceberg lettuce and some spring mix. Just look at how good it looks, you guys. Like, you just know the sandwich is gonna be good. Like, just look at it. Some French bread, and these actually already came with butter smeared on it, so less work for me. So I'm using some tofurkey deli slices, and I'm just going to lay that on my bread so that I can put it in the oven to get real nice and toasty. Then I just made I melted some butter with some garlic, parsley, oregano, red pepper flakes, and I couldn't find sliced vegan cheese, so I just used shredded vegan cheese. And this is the sandwich, you guys. It's really quick and easy, honestly, and it just tastes so amazing. Okay guys, so this is the moment we've all been waiting for. I know I've been waiting for this moment. So this is the sandwich. I don't think I put enough turkey slices, because like when you go to the deli, they like really pack your sandwich with turkey and stuff like that. But I only put like one layer across, but let's try it. I should have got some tissue, but I'm gonna go get some tissue. I'm definitely gonna put some more turkey slices next time. That grinder salad part is so, how do I say it? It's so like rich with flavor. But it's really good though, you guys. Like, it's really good. If you like the sweet onion sauce from Subway, then you're gonna really like this. Like with mayo and all that. This is really good. I had to get some water. This sandwich brings back so many memories. Like, I remember when I used to go to Subway with my mom, and I used to be so picky with what I put on my sandwich. I used to just get like turkey, cheese, and I think like cucumbers or something like that. And my mom used to be like, "You're so boring." I used to be like I was very picky. I didn't even like eating rice and peas when I was younger. I don't know why. I was just so picky, but this sandwich is really good. You guys should definitely try it. Yeah, this is another viral TikTok recipe, and it's worth trying.